So I wanted to try something different. As you can tell, when we first started doing this course, my student's account was around $200 in sales. Now look at it now that we end the course, $807 in sales in the last 30 days, and it's just growing. And we just got these orders shipped out and waiting for the next time we see some orders. There isn't any other course on Udemy that teaches you how to dropship on Amazon and has a store that went from 0 to sales to 800 while teaching you how to dropship on Amazon. This is the first. So with that being said, I just want you to know that anyone can do this. If you're interested in anything, let me know. You can look me up on Facebook, Armani Keller. And you can message me privately and I answer whatever questions you have. If it has to do with me managing your account or making you a store, let me know. If it has to do with those questions you have, let me know. And I'll answer them to the best of my abilities. All right. Thank you for buying the course. Thank you for being my student, and have a great day.